it's David from Volvo of San Antonio, and we are at the beautiful Breckenridge Park. Just wanted to show you some differences between the all-new Volvo S60 and its predecessor, the 2018 Volvo S60. So they've made some extensive changes to the front of the S60. The grille is much more rectangular now. Also, they finally added the Thor's Hammer Darrow headlights, which are so popular. It's a Volvo signature, versus the Xenon headlights that were in the 2018. The front of the vehicle is also a lot more aggressive and lower to the ground, which gives it that dynamic look. So a couple things that Volvo was focusing on when they redesigned the all-new S60 was the dynamic look and also the dynamic drive of the vehicle. The way that they did this was they removed the crease that was in the 2018 S60. They made it a lot more smooth so that air can just flow right off of it. They did make some changes to the back of the vehicle as well. One of the major changes are the taillights. The taillights are now Volvo's signature C-shaped taillight, which is totally recognizable on the road. Also, if you look at the trunk, the rear spoiler is now a lot sharper, gives it again that dynamic look. The interior of the S60 is gorgeous, as you can see. The 2018 S60 was controlled by buttons and knobs, and the 2019 S60 is controlled by a unique 9-inch Sensus touch display. We introduced that in 2016 on our XC90, and we've put it in every vehicle we've created since. So on both, you have a fully digital dash. However, in the 2019, it is one surface versus the 2018 that's broken up into sections. So the most powerful engine in the 2019 S60 is the T6. We offered the T6 in the 2018, but it had 312 horsepower. We've upped it by 4 horsepower and a lot more torque, so now you have 316 horsepower in a T6 S60. One cool thing about the 2019 S60 is that it now offers the most mega high strength steel that we've ever used in any S60, which makes it pretty indestructible, so the cage of the vehicle stays intact in case of a rollover accident.